Troubleshooting an LG phone with no sound. If you cannot hear sound from your LG phone speaker or earpiece, we have 10 troubleshooting steps you can take to help resolve the issue. Before we begin, please note that some settings, menus, or icons shown here may differ from those on your LG phone, depending on the software version and wireless service provider. LG recommends that you test the phone's audio after each step. Number 1. Make sure the speaker is turned on. The speaker icon should be green or highlighted. If not, tap the icon so that it is highlighted. 2. Press the volume up button to make sure the call volume is turned up. 3. Turn the media volume all the way up. Tap Settings, then go to Sound and tap Volume. Move the media slider to the right to increase the volume. 4. Check the app sound settings. Some apps, such as Facebook Messenger, allow you to mute the sound separately from the main volume control. If you cannot hear sound on particular apps, check the settings on the specific apps to see if the sound is muted. 5. Make sure Do Not Disturb is not enabled. Tap Settings, then go to Sound and toggle off the Do Not Disturb option. 6. Check that there is no Bluetooth device paired with the phone. Tap Settings, then go to Connected Devices and tap Bluetooth, then disconnect it on the paired device. 7. Remove the phone from its case. Some phone cases may be the reason for muffled sound or an apparent speaker problem. Now test the sound. 8. Reboot your phone. Rebooting the phone will sometimes clear software glitches that can disable the sound. To do this, press and hold the power button until a set of options is displayed on the screen. Then tap Restart to reboot the phone. 9. If rebooting did not work, turn the phone off and turn it back on. Press and hold the power button, then tap Power Off. Once you power the phone back on, test the audio. 10. Remove the battery, if applicable, and reinsert it. Note that some LG phones, especially older models, have a removable battery. Most of the newer phones, however, have a built-in battery that cannot be removed. Removing and reinserting the battery will reset the phone without erasing your data. After you have performed these troubleshooting steps, if there is still no sound from your LG phone, then the phone may require a full reset to original factory specifications. For instructions, please refer to our factory data reset video linked in the description. If you are unable to resolve the issue, you can go to lgmobilerepair.com or call LG Customer Service to submit a repair authorization, or RA, to have your phone sent in to be inspected and repaired. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.